Okay, let's talk about quiz 17 again. Here we are talking about delays and automation. The first thing to emphasize is that a delay is a device that will store and play back audio. Okay? To make those echoey type sounds, that's what a delay does, not automation. Delay. So be careful of that as a true-false question. And that is one that I like to switch up on the final, right? So that's an easy one for me to change the word delay to automation, or automation to delay. And so if it says delay, then that statement becomes true, right? If it's automation, if it's anything else, it's false. Okay, good. An example of delay is a chorus. And a chorus we talked about before, and I think I generally put that in the kind of 15 to 30 millisecond range, but has a little bit of feedback and a pitch shift. So for the delays, each one will be a slightly different pitch, depending on how you dial that in, but that's a characteristic, I guess, of a chorus. A flanger is a much faster delay. We're in the like 5 millisecond range, maybe even faster than that. But a cool thing about that is it has a variable time delay as a characteristic. If you remember talking about the two sets of tape machines playing the same song, and as you press down on one of them, it will slow it down. But you don't hold your hand there the whole time, right? They were taking on and off to make it faster and slower and faster and slower. So that's the variable time delay. And he makes his argument in the book, which I'll take for now, trying to say that pitch shift, because it was developed using tape recorders and going faster and slower and manipulating time, that in a sense it is a time-based effect. But still, I'm not going to look for pitch shift under the time manipulation plug-in folder. I think pitch shift will have its own area that we find those things in. Okay, automation. So we've got four types of automation here. There are a few more that we could include, but these are the basics, and these are what we've got. Write. If you set your track into write automation, all the moves that you are going to make are going to be written as new automation. Be careful with this, because a lot of times, even if it's not something that you were intending to automate, you can write automation to it. And then in order to change the pan or something, it might snap back because you wrote the automation, and you'll have to automate the pan to be where you want it to be. Touch will follow the old automation until you touch it. Once you touch it, you let go, it will go back to the old automation. Latch is slightly different. It goes along the same. It follows the automation until you touch it. You move it up and down. You write new automation, but wherever you let go, it's going to stay at that last point and latch to that point. Finally, read. Read automation will not write any new automation. And that's the situation, I guess, where as you move things, it will snap back to the automation, and you realize, oh, it's in read automation. I gotta change it to one of the others. Okay, and so that's quiz 17. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your meal.